Good morning, student. So, this is your last chapter of first semester. That is lesson number 10, verb. Verb are words that tells us about the action. Example, the train leaps at 6 p.m. The girl smiled. This is the action. This is called as leaps and smile. Action words are called as verb. Verb may also tells us about the state of a person or a thing. It tells us that what state of person is in and also about the things. The sky is full of stars. The children are tired. Okay? Or what a person or thing possesses. I have 3 pet dogs. Reena has a sweet smile. A verb can be a word or a short phrase. Example, Jack was feeling nervous. Tom is sleeping in the room upstairs. These are the examples are called as verb. And the definition of verb are the words that tells us about action. That means action words are called as verb. Now come to page number 48. Subject, verb, object. You have already learned that a sentence can be divided into subject and predicate. I had already taught you about the subject and predicate. In most sentences, the predicate further has a verb and object. In predicate column, you can see there is a verb and an object. Example, the dog chased the ball. The dog is subject and chased is verb and the ball is here object. The subject is the person or thing who does the action. Subject is the person who does the action. That means the dog is doing the action. The verb is the action verb. And here is the action word is chased. The object is the person or thing who received the action. And object is the person who receive or on which the action is going on. Okay. So the action is going on the ball. That's why it is object. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. Subject is telling us what the sentence is about. The predicate tells us what the subject does or is. Example, Ravi and I go to the school together. So Ravi and I is subject and go to school together is predicate. In the following sentence, the subject are purple and the object are green. Okay, so in the following sentence, the subject are purple, the object are green and the verb are red. Example, Mia loves ice cream. So Mia is subject and love is verb and ice cream is object. The boy lost his new wallet. The tree shed leaves in winter. These are the things which are in this questions. If a verb needs an object to complete its meaning, it is called transitive verb. If a verb does not need an object, it is called intransitive verb. If a verb need a object, then it will be transitive, and it doesn't need a object, then it is intransitive. Finite and non-finite verb. Verbs can be finite or non-finite in form. If a verb changes according to the subject and the tense, it is called finite verb. Example, I love apples, she loves apple, monkeys climb tree, the cat climbed the tree. If a verb is not affected by the subject and the tense, it is called non-finite verb. Example, I love to eat mangoes, she loves to eat mangoes, some cats enjoy climbing tree. Climbing tree is fun for monkey. Non-finite verbs can be written in two ways, with to and ing form, to eat, to go, and climbing and talking. So these are the things which are in this chapter of verb. This is all about this chapter. Hope you understand and try to fill up the blanks. Thank you.